Are you looking for simple and effective ways to improve your health? In this ultimate beginner's guide to health hacks, we will explore a variety of tips and tricks that can kickstart your journey to a healthier lifestyle. Before diving into health hacks, it's important to set clear goals. Whether you want to lose weight, boost energy levels, or improve overall well-being, establishing realistic and achievable goals will help you stay motivated along the way. One of the fundamental aspects of a healthy lifestyle is maintaining a balanced diet. We will explore various eating habits that can significantly impact your well-being. From portion control to nutrient-dense choices, we'll provide you with practical tips to make healthier food choices every day. Regular physical activity is essential for overall health and well-being. We'll discuss different types of exercises and fitness routines that can help you stay active and strengthen your body. Whether you prefer cardio workouts or strength training, we have got you covered. Getting enough sleep and managing stress are crucial aspects of maintaining good health. We'll share practical tips to improve the quality and duration of your sleep, as well as effective techniques to manage stress and promote relaxation. We often underestimate the importance of staying hydrated and practicing mindful eating. We'll explore the benefits of drinking enough water and techniques to incorporate mindful eating into your daily routine. These simple habits can make a significant difference in your health and well-being. Having a strong support system is crucial when embarking on a health journey. We'll discuss the importance of building a network of friends, family, or like-minded individuals who can provide encouragement and help you stay on track. Together, we can achieve our health goals. Congratulations on completing this ultimate beginner's guide to health hacks. By implementing these simple yet powerful tips into your daily life, you can pave the way for a healthier and happier future. Remember, small steps can lead to significant improvements, so start making positive changes today.